Time to bring up the video for these. The new this year's In4mation and VANS collaboration. This is the Chukka. Went up on sale on the website and at their stores on Saturday. Very clean, smooth. Not a whole lot of extra. Just a nice solid colorway, running in the same vein as last year's release of the half cab. Just a very straightforward release on the Chukka. Very happy to get these. Very happy to have last year's. Get them while you can. There was only 280 or 300 pairs. I've heard two different versions. Get them while you can. Most of them are already gone.